When we're thinking about money, a whole load of emotions come up. What I'd like you to sit down is make a list of all the things that you would do in your life if money was no object. Now, I know it's very easy to go, oh, well, I'll go and buy a yacht and I'd, go and live in a remote island and all that kind of thing, but they're probably not that realistic. Think more about what would be the things that you would like to be able to do in your life that would give it real value, meaning, and purpose if money was no object. So it could be that you would go and study, or it could be that you're going to go and buy your house, or it could be that you're going to go and buy that car that you've always wanted. Could be that you're going to set up your Pilates studio. Whatever your dream is, if money was no object, and really identify those. Then look at those dreams that you have and prioritize a list of what is the most important to you. What is the thing that you most want to achieve out of that list? Now, it's completely possible to have all those things that you want and to live the lifestyle that you want. But you have to plan for it. You have to have a goal and you have to have a vision for what it is that you're trying to achieve. And you need to be able to enjoy the journey towards achieving that goal. So if you don't define your core values and what it is that you want your money to do for you, then it's very easy just to spend it on rubbish and on things that don't get you to where you want to be. So be realistic with yourself. Really think about what is it that I really want out of the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years of my life. What is it that I want to achieve in that time that gives my life meaning and purpose? And then base your values and how you're going to be spending your money on those dreams.